The next critical object in the transport management system is S underscore CTS underscore ADMI. This is critical because this controls the transport management system configuration itself. So somebody who has access to this object with the transaction code STMS can basically go and mess up the transport mechanism. You can go and add a system into your transport landscape. You can remove a system from your system landscape. You can deactivate a system from your system landscape. When I say system landscape, basically the transport mechanism, transport system. Okay. When I say deactivate the system, doesn't mean you can remove the system totally. Okay. The only thing that happens is it will not be part of your transport path. Okay. So anything to do with STMS, transaction code STMS mainly, is controlled by this object. And as transaction STMS is used for setting up the transport management system. So this object is CS underscore CTS underscore ADMI controls that functionality of setting up the transport management system. So once you set it up, any administration functions in the transport management system can be controlled by this object, like I said, adding a system to the transport landscape. And okay, once you release a transport request in SE09 and SE10, using the transaction STMS, you can import it into the next system. You can move the object to the next system, and that can be done using the transaction STMS. So this object again controls that activity, importing of transport requests into systems. This authorization object has only the CTS underscore admin ADM FCT field, whose values describe the various administration activities that can be checked using the authorization object. Like you can delete the TMS, or when I say TMS, is this transport management system, or you can add a system into the TMS, or you can import the transport requests. You can forward the transport requests. You can add an external transport request into your system. All these activities can be controlled using this object using this field. The object S underscore CTS underscore ADMI controls the activities that a user can perform, such as importing transport requests, deleting transport requests from the buffer, adding the transport request to a buffer, changing the system change option, SE06 setting, and configuring TMS. Okay, so S underscore CTS underscore ADMI controls what you can do using the transaction STMS, the activities that you can perform under STMS. For example, you can go to system overview and then import overview and then double click on the systems. That NAR system does not exist, that's why you got the error. For example, you can go to your system and then select the transport request and you can import all requests into the next system, or you can select a particular request and import it. If you want, you can go and add a transport request into this list. Or you can go and delete the transport request that you have, or you can forward it to the transport request to some other system. Then you go to import, then you go to system overview, and then you can select the system and go and log the system. Go to delete the entire TMS configuration. So all these things you can control, you can do using STMS, and that is all these activities are controlled using the the object s underscore CTS underscore ADMI. Here, did I? Or again, another transaction which is very important is SE06. So what you can do here, whether you can do the change option or not, can be controlled by S underscore CTS underscore ADMI. This functionality, this activity that we are doing. Now when I say modifiable, what it means is that you can do whatever modifications or development you want in that system. So typically what happens in the production environment, this is set to not modifiable. So that means in the production environment, no development work or configuration work can be done. So if you see here, this automatically changed to not modifiable when you do this, because this is a global setting. This impacts the entire system. Okay, so these activities are controlled using the object S underscore CTS underscore ADMI.